Picture this. You're designing a yacht's automated hatch system, and suddenly you realize the old hydraulic setup is a maintenance nightmare waiting to happen. Salt spray, constant moisture, pounding waves. The marine environment is absolutely brutal on mechanical systems. That's exactly why the entire marine industry is abandoning hydraulics and switching to electric linear actuators. Here's what's happening. Traditional hydraulic systems require pumps, reservoirs, and fluid lines that can leak and contaminate marine environments. They need constant maintenance and create complexity that boat builders and owners simply don't want anymore. Electric linear actuators have completely changed the game. They run on the same 12 or 24-volt DC power that's already standard on boats, and they deliver comparable force without any of the hydraulic headaches. Think about the engineering challenges here. You're dealing with corrosion from salt spray, UV degradation from constant sun exposure, and mechanical stress from waves that can exceed anything you'd see on land. Modern electric actuators are built with specialized coatings, sealed housings, and corrosion-resistant materials that handle these conditions for years without maintenance. The applications are everywhere on modern vessels. Automated boat hatches that open smoothly at the touch of a button. Helm controls that adjust perfectly to each captain's preferences. Anchor systems that deploy and retrieve automatically. Entertainment systems with screens that emerge from hidden compartments. Even custom solutions for specialized marine equipment. What really matters for engineers and designers is understanding proper specification and installation. You need to consider IP ratings, force requirements, stroke length, and control integration. Get these right, and you'll create marine automation systems that enhance both functionality and user experience. Find the link in the description below to read the full article.